Oh, come on. Hold the other's hand. My God. One more. Step down, 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 down. And then hop, hop. Okay, good job. Oh, careful. Uy. 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 And it's time to give the food to the fish. Come on. Come on. Open it. Open. 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 Look at that, Austin. The fish is so big.
Malulunok ba niya yan?
Naalala mo yung isda na dry na kinain natin, Kat? Na yan. Sarap. Maliban sa tilapia, ha. Yung isa, buntot yun eh. Buntot na part yun, kaya medyo maliit siya tingnan. Wow. Oh, come on. Oh, wow, my God, it's so big. Wow, the fish is so big. My God, Austin. P. Come on, eat it. Eat it, come on. Eat there. Okay, you feed more. Oh my God, Austin, look at that. Oh, mga pating na ito. Oh my God. Oh. Ang lalaki ko noon ko. Hello. Hindi, okay lang yan. Laki-laki ng bunga nila eh. Hala, Utin. Hala. Go. You give more. Oh my God. Ito yung maganda sa Thailand kasi ang daming holiday. Makin mo to. Come on, give it. Give more, Austin. Give more. Give me the food. Give me. Grabe kalaki, oh. Tingnan mo, oh. Grabe, oh. Oy, wow. Isang ano lang sa bunganga niya, oh. Come on, give it. Grabe ang laki. Hala, Austin. Hala, grabe. Wow, my God, so big. Ang laki, oh.